NASA's missions depend on one thing to succeed: flawless software. But writing space-proof code isn't just programming. It's an art and science of perfection. Let's uncover how NASA engineers write code that works in the most unforgiving environment: space. Space isn't like Earth. There's radiation, microgravity, extreme temperatures, and no room for error. Even a single bug in the code could mean mission failure, or worse, billions of dollars lost. NASA uses strict guidelines to write its code. No flashy software, just minimal, structured, and reliable programs. For example, engineers avoid dynamic memory allocation entirely to prevent runtime failures. Less is more. Every line is tested, and no dead code is allowed. Before any code is launched, it's tested in condition as close to space as possible. Simulations replicate extreme temperatures, communication delays, and even dust storms.
Stress testing pushes the software to its limits, identifying any potential weak spots. NASA doesn't just test, they prove their code works. Formal verification uses mathematics to confirm software behaves exactly as intended, with no surprises. Every single line of code is reviewed by humans and machines. Space-proof code doesn't just run, it adapts. Fault-tolerant systems are designed to handle hardware failures or unexpected conditions. If something breaks, the software can find a way to keep the mission alive. NASA's commitment to flawless software has led to some of the greatest engineering feats in history. From landing rovers on Mars to capturing the first images of the universe's origins, it all comes down to the code. NASA's approach isn't just for space. It's a lesson in precision, testing, and pushing limits. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember, it's not just rockets and astronauts getting us there. It's the code. If you're inspired by the science behind the scenes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And who knows, maybe one day, you'll help write the next line of space-proof code.